As our global community is preparing to get back to work, we all have a heightened sensitivity to bacteria and virus transmission brought on by the health crisis. Organizations whose employees use productivity equipment in warehousing and DCs, retail, transportation and logistics, direct store delivery, healthcare, and more are implementing safety protocols that affect millions of workers. Because many of these devices are shared from one shift to the next among workers, health experts recommend that organizations adopt protocols for routine cleaning and disinfecting of devices for employee health and safety. With this protocol, these same organizations are faced questions such as, how do you manage and clean devices that are frequently shared or touched by multiple workers during the day or week? What chemicals or cleaning solutions can I use that will clean devices without damaging device durability or voiding the warranty? Is there a device housing that can withstand harsh chemicals? How can I address my organization's requirement for more frequent cleanings of enterprise devices? For example, scanners, mobile computers, printers. Where can I find devices that have disinfectant-ready housings that will be appropriate for general-purpose use? Honeywell is introducing a broad range of its most popular scanners, mobile computers, and printers with disinfectant-ready housings, DRHs, for general-purpose applications. These are the same DRHs that Honeywell designed to withstand the regular cleaning protocols required to address infection and disease control needs of the healthcare industry. Let's take a closer look at some of the real differences between non-disinfectant-ready housings and disinfectant-ready housing exteriors. A disinfectant-ready housing device is built with specialized plastics that can withstand harsh chemicals in the cleaning solution. Repeated use of chemical cleansers may cause discoloration, swelling, hardening and cracking of rubber and certain plastics after prolonged and repeated use. Cracks can also lead to hardware failure, which increases the total cost of ownership by causing increased downtime and repair or replacement costs. Honeywell was the first company in the barcode scanning industry to introduce disinfectant-ready housings, DRHs, originally as a healthcare solution designed specifically to withstand frequent exposure to any of the recommended cleaning solutions. Honeywell DRHs for general-purpose devices can stand up to the demands of new cleaning protocols due to the heightened sensitivity brought on by the recent health crisis. Honeywell DRHs have passed rigorous continuous chemical exposure tests exceeding 500+ hours. DRHs are built to withstand multiple cleanings per hour, every day, for more than 5 years and have been approved for 34 cleaning solutions. For more other disinfectant-ready housing devices and product information, please scan this barcode. This solution is brought to you by ALC as Honeywell's Gold Performance Partner.